Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do J, X, V, W, WH says W, and a lot of sounds. Are you ready? The first word is jam, 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 jam. Jiggly jig jig, jiggly jig jig, see the jam jiggle, jiggle juggle, jiggle juggle, j j j j j, jet jet, jet jet. Oh, did you see the flying jet? J j j j j j. Oh, did you see the flying jet up in the great blue sky? Jump, jump, ump. Jump, I'm jumping on a trampoline, a trampoline, a trampoline. Job, job. I have a job. I'm a teacher and a social worker. And you have many jobs. You have doctors, lawyers, engineers. Job, jug, jug, and that's my jug, and I have blueberry juice in my jug because it's blue. Jazz, jazz, it's jazz music. Jazz music has a lot of trumpets and things like that, and saxophone, those type of instruments. Jog, jog. Let's go jogging, jogging, jogging. Let's go jogging in the park. Would you like to come jogging? Jogging means slow running. Just, just. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. Junk, junk, junk. Oh my goodness, there's so much junk over here. Zip, zip, zip. Zip up, zip down, zip up, zip down. See, I have a zip over here. Zips on my shirts, zips on my shoes, zips on my skirts, zips on my t-shirts. Okay, a world of zip for you and me. Zip up, zip down. Do you like zips? I like zips. They go zip, 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 zips on my jacket. Zag, zigzag, zag, zigzag. Zigzag is like this, right? Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And even lightning is zigzag, 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 right? Zap, zap. I zap you with a X-ray gun like this. Z, z. Zap, zap, zap. Don't forget your a. Buzz, 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 buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. Zebra, 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 zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, a Z-E-B-R-A. It's a zebra, zebra kind of day today. It's a Z-E-B-R-A, a Z-E-B-R-A. It's a black and white day today. So we're all going to wear black and white. Fur is a fizz, fur is a fizz. And this is my Coke tin. I'm going to shake it up really, really a lot. And then I'm going to open it. And then it's going to go fizz like that. Win. Look at my mouth. Win. I'm going to win a prize. That's my prize and my medal. That's my trophy. And that's my medal. That one is my medal. Web. Where does a spider live? It lives in a web. He spins his own web. And you know what? That web, the silk, that the spider uses to spin his web is very, very strong. It's stronger than a bulletproof vest. So scientists are trying to find out how to make, and it's water soluble. It's amazing. So swim, so swim. Let's go swimming, it's so much fun to swim in the water with everyone. Let's go swimming, it's really fun to do. You can swim on your back, you can swim on your side. Have a roll around, make a splash so high. Swim in the sea and swim in the pool. You can really have a lot of fun. Just wait and see what you can do. Oh yay! Went. I went by bus. I went by train. Wig. He has no hair, so he's going to put a wig on. Wind. Whoosh, whoosh, the wind is blowing. Whoosh, whoosh, the kites are flying. Whoosh, whoosh, the trees are bending. Wah, 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 wah. Wag, wag. The dog wags his tail. How much is that doggy at the window? Woof, woof. The one with the waggly tail. His tail is always wagging. How much is that doggy at the window? I do hope that doggy's for sale. Well. And there's a, who put it in? Pussycat. Where? No, that's a, I forgot it. Something about putting, who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Johnny Stout. And they put the little pussycat in the well, and you draw water from a well. West. That's the north. That's the south. That's the west. And that's the east. No, sorry. North, south, west, east. North, south, west, east. North or south, north, south, east or west. Home is the best. North, south, east or west. Home is the best. So swell. And that's my finger. And it's swelling up. Why is it swelling up? Because the bee stung me. He said bzzz and he stung me, and so now I've got a swollen finger. Wigwam. Wigwam. And that's a wigwam. A wigwam is made out of bark. That means the outside part of the tree, and also of animal skin. And people live in wigwams. Will. I will be good. I will come with you in the future, later. Wept. Wept. And he wept, and he wept, and he cried, and he cried. Wet. I'm all wet in the rain. Now we're going to read all the words from the beginning to the end. Are you ready? Make a train. First sound, last sound. Jam, jam. Jet, jet. Jump, jump. Job, job. Jug, jug. Jazz, jazz. Jog, jog. Just, just. Junk, junk. Zip, zip. Zigzag, zigzag. Zap, zap. Buzz, buzz. Zebra, zebra. Fizz, fizz. Win, win. Web, web. Swim, swim. Went, went. Wig, wig, wind, wind. Wag, wag. Well, well. West, west. Swell, swell. Wigwam, wigwam. Will, will. Wet, 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 wet. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.